Senate Bill 2194 improves how we manage and evaluate 211 services in Illinois. It requires the lead entity to report regularly to the Department of Human Services, not annually, on these things. How many people call 211? What services they are being referred to? Where we're seeing gaps in services, and whether people are actually getting the help they need. This is about equity, transparency, and making sure no one slips through the cracks. Every call to 211 is a person. Someone's mom, someone's neighbor, someone who needs help fast. If we don't measure how the system is working, we can't improve it. This data will help state leaders better understand community needs and make informed decisions to improve the system. This bill ensures DHS has a seat at the table to help strengthen partnerships between call centers, nonprofits, and government agencies.
I am very pleased that this year we were able to send Senate Bill 2194 to the governor's desk, which will strengthen Illinois' 211 program. 211 is a powerful tool. It's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it connects Illinois residents to vital services like housing support, food assistance, mental health resources, and more.